Good morning, students. So yesterday what we have completed? We have completed up to IIT page number 31. Okay, examples we have completed now. Next, see the operations on surds. Operations on surds. That means what are the operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So first, addition and subtraction of like surds. How can you add or subtract of like surds is A root C plus B root C. Is there means these are like surds or not? Yes, these are like surds. How can you add A plus B root C? Like that you can add. Okay, ma. See the example. 4 root 5 plus 6 root 5. How can you add? These two are like surds only, root 5, root 5. So these are like surds. Now add 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 root 5. 4 plus 6 how much ma? 10. 10 root 5. Already we learned the types of surds yesterday. Okay. So these are like surds. How can you add? 4 plus 6 into root 5. So 4 plus 6 how much? 10 root 5. Okay children, did you understand? Next, given that average of two surds is 5 plus 9 root 2, if one of them is 1 plus 12 root 2, then the second one is. So here what is given? Average of two surds, answer is given. And one of the surd is given, you have to find the second surd. How can you find, children? A is equal to root 8, average no. So 5 plus 9 root 2, average is given and one of the number 1 plus 12 root 2 is given. So average, we don't know that average, this is the average sum. So 1 plus 12 root 2, one number is given, another number we don't know, that's why we are taking x. So average means a plus b by 2. So a plus b by 2 is equal to what is the answer? 5 plus 9 root 2. Okay. So 1 plus 12 root 2 plus x is equal to, here 2 is divide. If you transpose to here, what will become? Multiplication. 2 5, 10, 2 9, 18 root 2. Okay. Now you can transpose to here. X is equal to, these are transposed to here. 10 plus 18 root 2. Here plus 1 is a transpose to here. What will become? Minus 1. Plus 12 root 2 transpose here. What will become? Minus 12 root 2. So 10 minus 1 how much? 9 plus 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 root 2. So 9 plus 18 minus 12 how much children? 6. 6 root 2. So what is the second number? 9 plus 6 root 2. Okay. So first number is 1 plus 12 root 2 and second number is 9 plus 6 root 2. If you do these two average, they will become the answer 5 plus 9 root 2. Okay children. Next. Another example. Next, third example, see children. If a equal to root 8 plus root 3, a is equal to root 8 plus root 3 and b equal to root 8 minus root 3. Then you have to find a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A is equal to root 8 plus root 3, b is equal to root 8 minus root 3. Then you have to find a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Okay. So first you can do a plus b. What is the value of a plus b? A value is root 8 plus root 3 plus b value is root 8 minus root 3. Okay. So plus root 3 minus root 3 will be cancelled. Root 8 plus root 8, how much? 2 root 8. Okay. So next a minus b. Root 8 plus root 3 minus of b value how much? Root 8 minus root 3. So root 8 plus root 3 minus root 8 minus of minus plus root 3. Here root 8 minus root 8 will be cancelled. Root 3 plus root 3 how much? 2 root 3. Okay. Now find a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What is a plus b value? 2 root 8 whole square plus a minus b value how much? 2 root 3 whole square. Okay. 2 root 8 whole square means 2 square into root 8 whole square plus 2 square into root 3 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. Square root will be cancelled. 2 square means how much? 4. 4 into 8 plus 2 square means 4 into 3. 4 8 32. 4 3 is 12. How much? 44. What is the answer? 44. Did you understand now? So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square value is 44. Like that you can do the problem. Next one, fourth sum C. Next, fourth example C, children. If 3 plus root 5 whole cube, 3 plus root 5 whole cube is equal to a plus 2 root b. Then you have to find a is to b is equal to how much? Okay. So here what is given? 3 plus root 5 whole cube equal to a plus 2 root b. Now you have to find a is to b value. How can you find? So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the a plus b whole cube formula? Did you remember that one? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Already you learned in 8th class. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. So you can utilize this one. 3 plus root 5 whole cube is equal to a cube. A means how much? What is the number here? 3. 3 cube. Plus b cube. B means root 5. Root 5 whole cube. Okay. Next. 3 into a. A means 3. B. B means root 5. 3ab into a plus b. A plus b. 3 plus root 5. Okay. So 3 cube means how much? 27. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 3 cube. Okay. Next. Root 5 whole cube. B cube no, root 5 whole cube. How much? Root 5 whole cube. You can write root 5 whole cube. Next. 3 3 is how much? 9 root 5 plus 3 plus root 5. 27 plus. So root 5 whole cube, how you can write? 5 3 by 2. 5 3 by 2 you can write. So that means how you can plus 9 3 is how much? 27 root 5 plus 9. 9 into 1 9. Root 5 into root 5 5. That means root 5 whole square means square root will be cancelled. So 27 plus this one, how can you write? 5 cube whole power 1 by 2 plus 27 root 5. 9 5 how much? 45. So 27 plus 45 how much? 7 plus 5 12. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. 72. 5 cube. 5 cube means how much? 5 1 5 5 is 25. 25 5 125. So square root of 125 plus this you can write 125. No, 125. 1 square root of 125. How can you write? 25 into 5. Okay. So this 25 you can take it off from root. What will become? 5 root 5. So you can write 5 root 5 plus 27 root 5. So 72 plus 5 plus 27 how much? 32 root 5. 32 root 5. So it is in the form of a plus 2. This one is equal to a plus 2 root b, no? A plus 2 root b. So a is equal to here 72. Okay. And 2. So 32 can be written as in the 2 multiple. That means 2 into 16. So 72 plus 2 into 16 root 5 is equal to a plus 2 root b. So now a is equal to 72. B is equal to how much? 2 into b is equal to 16 root 5. Okay now. So a is to b value how much will get? 72 is to 16 root 5. 72 is to 16 root 5 is the a is to b value. Okay ma? Did you understand children? Next example, see fifth example. If x equal to square root of 7 plus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3, then x square into x minus 14 whole square is equal to how much? You have to find it. Okay. First you should take x value. Root of 7 plus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. So you can rationalizing the denominator. What is the denominator? 7 minus 4 root 3. What is the rationalizing factor for this one? 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 plus 4 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay. So 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square by 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square root of. Okay. So 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square root by 7 square means how much? 49 minus 4 square means 16. 16 into root 3 whole square means root will be cancelled, 48. 16 into 3, 48. Okay. Now here square root will be cancelled. 7 plus 4 root 3 by 49 minus 48. How much? Root 1. Root 1 means nothing but 1. So what is the value? 7 plus 4 root 3. 7 plus 4 root 3. X value how much? 7 plus 4 root 3. Now you have to find this one. X square into x minus 14 whole square What is x value? 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square into 7 plus 4 root 3 minus 14 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. What is the a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square. 7 minus 14, how much? Minus 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square. Minus 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square. Now you can equalize this one. Now it is in the form of 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square minus 7 plus 4 root 3. How can you write this one, children? 7 minus 4 root 3. Here you can take minus as common. How can you write 7 minus 4 root 3 whole square? Now both are squares only. So 7 square, a square minus b square, how much? A square minus b square. So 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. That is equal to 49 minus 48. How much? 1. What is the value? 1. Okay, ma? So like that you can do the sums, ma. Next, multiplication and division of surds. Already I explained yesterday multiplication and division of surds. How can you do this one, children? Cube root of 5 into cube root of 7. How can you write? Cube root of 5 into 7. That means cube root of 5 7 35. Like that. Okay. Next one. Fifth root of 7 divided by fifth root of 9. How can you write this one? Fifth root of 7 by 9. Okay. So this is the multiplication and this is the division. Next, mean proportional. The mean proportion of two positive numbers a and b is root ab. What is the mean proportional? A and b is root ab. Here some identities are given. See, root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equal to a minus b. Second one, a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. Already we learned in the state syllabus these identities. Root a plus or minus root b whole square is equal to a plus or minus 2 root ab plus b. Fourth one, root a plus root b into root c plus root d is equal to root ac plus root ad plus root bc plus root db. Okay. So using these identities, here some examples are given. You can do these examples. So we have completed this explanation part now. Today you can do the bits. Page number 34 and 35 already I gave yesterday. Those who didn't complete, please complete today. Page number 34, 35. Page number 36. Page number 37. 38. Okay, up to 34 to 38 bits you can do. So full explanation part will be completed now. So you can do up to page number 38. That is the homework for you. Okay, ma? Don't do level 3. Up to level 2 only we have to complete it. Don't touch the level 3. Okay, ma? Any doubts, children?